Now we're going to make a hexagon. Hexagon is a 6-sided piece. First I'm going to show you the pentagon. This is a 5-sided piece. The hexagon is made in a similar fashion, and both follow the granny square type. You're going to have shells in the center. For the pentagon you have 5, and they're made of 3 double crochet shells. For the hexagon we're going to use 2 double crochet shells. Shells made up of 2 double crochets. First we're going to make a slip knot, put it on our hook. We could use an adjustable ring, but for purposes of this demonstration I decided not to. We're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to join with a slip stitch in our first single crochet. That gives us a ring. Here's the hole, the center hole of our ring here. I'm going to chain up, and I'm going to insert my hook in. I'm going to yarn over first because I'm making double crochets. Insert my hook in the center of the hole, and I'm working around the chains. I'm going to make 1 double crochet. I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make another 2 double crochet shell. So I'm going to do 2 double crochets here, and I'm going to chain 2 again, or 2 double crochets until I have 6 shells separated by chain 2s. And my center spot is going to just expand to accommodate me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 2 more double crochets. That'll be 5. Chain 2. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have my 6 shells. Now I have options as far as joining. I could join with a slip stitch and slip stitch over and always start in the corner, or I could join with a single crochet here, or a half double if I need it. I'll chain up, and I'm going to work a shell here. Two double crochets and another shell. For this round, this was round 1, this is round 2. For this round, doesn't matter which way you join. If you want to slip stitch and go over into the corner, you can do that because it's all corners. You're going to be making 6 corners separated by a chain 1. So I made my corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 1. In my next space, I'm going to work the same corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Now if you find as you go along that your work is starting to push in, you might need to lengthen your stitches. You might need to pull up on your golden loop. Chain 1, and in the next chain 2 space we're going to make another corner. I'm going to chain 2, 2 double crochets rather, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Now I have 1, 2, 3 corners, chain 1, here's my next corner, I'm going to make a corner there, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. What do I mean my golden loop. I'm going to chain 1. What I mean is, to make a double crochet, I yarn over, insert my hook, I yarn over and pull up. Now when I pull through, I can stretch that loop to give me a longer stitch. You'll be able to tell as you go along. Everybody's tension is different. I would probably not even know for myself until I get going on this if I need to do that. Now I'm going to chain 1 between my corners, and my last corner, chain 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Now this is actually a hexagon because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 corners. But we're going to do another row so you can see how to make the sides. If you slip stitch over, you're going to be starting with a corner. So you would chain up, work a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet, 2 double crochets I should say, to give you your first corner of round 3. The point is that you're going to have corners in your corners, and in between your corners, your chain 1s, you're going to have sides. So we have a corner here, we're going to chain 1, and here in our chain 1 that we had from the previous row, we're going to make a 2 double crochet shell. Then we're going to chain 1, and now we're at a corner, so we're going to make another corner. 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. You can make these rounds in any color you want. They don't all have to be the same color, but I'm using the same color. Chain 1. Here's the side, see, because you have a chain 1 space here instead of chain 2. So we're going to make 2 double crochets in that chain 1 space. Let's insert our hook in the hole under the chain and work around the chain. Now we're chain 1 again, because that's going to give us our sides. And we do a corner here, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 1 for our side. Here's our side, here is our chain 1 space, so we're going to make 2 double crochets there, chain 1, corner in the next, chain 1, side in my chain 1 space, that's 2 double crochets, chain 1, corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, oops, there, chain 1, and here's a side, so we're going to put 2 double crochets there, chain 1, we're at our last corner, so we're going to make a corner there, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Now we're at our last side, so we're going to chain 1, we're going to make a side, which is 2 double crochets around that space, Now here's what we have so far. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And that's our hexagon. And we can join here with a slip stitch. Oh, first we need our chain 1. We're going to make our chain 1, then we can join with a slip stitch. And we can finish off. We can use the invisible join. We can make another round. If we wanted to make another round, everywhere we have a chain 1, that's a side. So we would put a shell here and a shell here. Wherever we have a chain 2 in between 2 shells, that's a corner. So we would make another corner here. 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and you can keep on going as long as you need to. And that's your hexagon.